Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!